This video goes along with Lesson 6, Exercise 5. In this expression, you'll see that we have fractions. So we are still trying to solve for x. We are trying to see if there is a solution for x. So the very first thing that you should be telling yourself is, how can I simplify this expression? I'm only going to look at the left-hand side first. I see a parentheses, so that means that subtract sign, which means negative, is going to be distributed to everything within the parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 7x, this turns into a subtract 3x, that turns into a subtract 5. I cannot distribute that subtract sign to the subtract 8 because it is not included in the parentheses. Alright? Do I have some like terms? I do. There we go. That's as simple as you can go. Now I'm going to do the right-hand side. There is a fraction which we are not used to seeing. But just think of it as half of 8 times x. Remember, multiplying, you can also use the word of. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and go a half of 8x, which is 4x. And then half times 20 is 10. And I cannot distribute that half to the 7x and the 5 because it is not part of the parentheses. I'm going to simplify all my like terms. And I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this down here. You know me, I like everything to be on the same line. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and solve for x. Remember, I want x on one side, number on the other. I like to go after the numbers first. I made a mistake. That's why I go back and check my work. X equals 28. So in this case, there is a solution. There is one solution for x, and x equals, it does not equal 28. Again, I made a mistake because I was going too fast. X equals 4. I could check my work, and I want you to do that right now by yourselves. I would like you, underneath this work or in your notebook, to check your work. Plug in x, plug in 4 anytime you see x to see if I'm correct. Is there more than one solution? Could I say x equals 3? Could I say x equals 2? I would like you to try that on your own and check in with me when you are finished.